Hi, I'm Simon Wehr, Director of Marketing for Data Innovations, parent company of Sonance, Truefig and iPort. And what we have here is our brand new iPort LaunchPort product that we're going to unbox so we can have a look inside. We'll start with the power shuttle. We have a white power shuttle here, we can tell by the photograph on the front and also by the fact that it says white here. When we open this up, we have one half of the power shuttle and the second half of the power shuttle. And this little piece of information, which is really important, this is your LaunchPort Quickstart, and this does two things for you. It shows you how to fit the iPad into the power shuttle, very quick step-by-step instructions, and on the other side it gives you instructions on how to fit the wall station into the wall, which we're going to cover off in a separate video. So, we need to fit our iPad now to our power shuttle. Very simply, the side with the power button with the 30-pin connector, where the iPort logo is, align the tracks on the side, slide it in slowly until it clicks. Take the shorter piece, align the edge of the iPad with the tracks, slide that in. You can see the little clips at the back. Here it go, click. We've now fitted the power shuttle to our iPad and that's ready to go. The next part is the wall station. So when we open this up, we can see inside we have the wall station itself. We have the wall plate which will go at the bottom of the wall, so we'll take those out. And inside the box we also have 6 feet of wire which goes from the wall station to the wall plate in the wall. Now if you need to run longer than 6 feet you can, just simply check the gauge guide that we have on the website. We also have the mounting hardware that allows you to fit both the wall station and the wall plate into drywall. Another copy of the Quickstart and the power supply. When you open up the power supply, you'll notice that there are different plugs for different regions around the world so that LaunchPort can be used in many, many different countries. Now, in the bottom of the box, this is very, very important. Make sure you don't throw the box out until you've grabbed this. This is your cutout template for the wall station. And there are two sections, the cutout template at the top, which is for the wall station itself, and the cutout template at the bottom, which is for the wall plate. So make sure you put that aside because you're going to need that when you fit the wall station, which we're going to do in a separate video. Finally, we come to our base station. The base station, a lot heavier than the other two. This is weighted obviously so it doesn't move around when you're using your power shuttle on it, sitting on a tabletop. So we have the base station itself, beautifully made out of extruded aluminum, a rubber base on the bottom that won't slide around and won't leave marks. And once again, the same as we had before with the wall station, we have various plugs in here for different regions around the world, and we also have another copy of the Quickstart in there as well. So here we have it, our different pieces of our LaunchPort ready to go. Next step, install this in the wall.